If you're facing any issues with your website or need help creating one, feel free to reach out to me at webtrackofficial@gmail.com. I'm here to help, and I'll even create a dedicated video to address your questions or requests. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a free status page on your WordPress site. Whether you're running an online business, a blog, or a service website, having a status page is crucial to keep your audience informed about your website's uptime and downtime. And the best part? You can do this for free. To give you a better idea of what a professional status page looks like, let me show you two examples from popular companies. Here's the status page from Vonage. As you can see, they provide a clear, organized layout that shows real-time updates on the performance of their services. It's easy for users to check whether there are any ongoing issues or maintenance. Next up is Namecheap's status page. Similar to Vonage, they display the operational status of their services, with a simple traffic light system to indicate whether services are up or down. They also include detailed incident reports for past issues, keeping users well informed. Both examples highlight how crucial it is to maintain transparency with your audience, ensuring they can trust your service by staying informed. And the best part? You can create something just like this for free on your WordPress site. Now that we've discussed the importance of having a status page, let's dive into how to set one up using PageFate. PageFate is an incredibly user-friendly tool that allows you to create a professional status page in just a few simple steps. First, on the home page, you can sign up for a free account, which is perfect for those just starting out. Once you're logged into PageFate, the first step is to set up your status page. You'll see a prompt asking for the page name you want to create. This is where you can enter something like My Website Status or whatever suits your brand. As you type in the name, you'll notice that PageFate automatically generates a URL for your status page based on the name you choose. This makes it super easy to share with your audience. After registering, you'll have access to a dashboard where you can easily configure your status page. In the top left you'll see your current page name you're working on. And in the top right, you can visit the page once you have made the changes. Here you can see a success message that all systems are working fine. Let's head over to the Components tab in PageFate. This is a crucial step because, for your status page to work correctly, we need to add some components that will reflect the different services of your system. Simply click Add Component, and enter the relevant details. You can easily add components like your website, database, API, or any other services you want to monitor. Let me put in some demo services. Add as many components you want. Once you refresh your page, you'll see the components on your status page and their relevant status. Let me add some more components. In the Component Group field, you can categorize your services to keep your status page organized and easily understandable for users. Now, let's move on to the Incidents tab in PageFate. This feature is essential for keeping your users informed about any issues that may arise. When you click on the Incidents tab, you'll see an option to create a new incident. This is where you can report any downtime or service interruptions affecting your components. Simply click Add Incident, and you can fill out the details like the incident title, description, and status. Also, you can change status for the components affected by the incident. You can also set the severity level, whether it's minor, major, or critical. This helps your users understand the impact of the issue. Once you create the incident, Your system status will change on the status page. You can change the severity level to see how it affects the system status. You can add update to your incident, like the issue has been identified, and you can set it to identified. And again you can change the status for the component affected by the incident. Click Create Update button to check the status on the front end. Let me show you different statuses real quick. Once the incident is resolved, you can easily update its status and provide a resolution note. This keeps your audience in the loop and shows them that you're proactive in addressing issues. Managing incidents effectively not only enhances user trust but also improves communication during unexpected downtimes. So, be sure to utilize this feature to keep your users informed. Now that you've set up your status page, the next step is to integrate it into your website. This way, your users can easily access it when needed. Simply copy the URL of your status page that you generated earlier. Once you have that, go to your website's dashboard. You can add the link to your main menu, footer, or even as a dedicated button on your homepage. Just paste the URL where you want it to appear and label it something like Service Status or Status Page. Now, your users can easily find your status page, ensuring they stay informed about your site's operational status. And that's it. It's that simple to keep your audience updated and engaged. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.